Hey there, science fans! Have you ever wondered what stuff is made of? It's all about matter. Everything around us, from your toys to the stars in the sky, is made of matter. And guess what? Matter can be in different forms called states. Let's dive in and learn about the amazing states of matter. Okay, so what exactly are states of matter? Think of it like this. Matter is like a bunch of tiny building blocks. We call these building blocks atoms and molecules. Now imagine these building blocks can be arranged in different ways. That's what determines the state of matter. The way these tiny particles are arranged and how much they move around determines whether something is a solid, a liquid, or a gas. Let's start with solids. Solids are like the superheroes of the matter world. They hold their shape and they're not afraid to stand their ground. Why? Because the molecules in a solid are packed together super tight, like sardines in a can. Think about a rock. You can't easily change its shape, can you? That's because it's a solid. Other examples of solids are trees, your phone, and even your ice cream cone, before it melts, of course. Next up, we've got liquids. Liquids are like the free spirits of the matter world. They love to move and groove. In a liquid, the molecules are a bit further apart than in a solid. They can slide and slip past each other, which is why liquids can flow. Think about water. You can pour it into different containers and it takes the shape of whatever it's in. That's because it's a liquid. Juice, honey, and melted chocolate are also examples of liquids. Section 5. Gone with the wind gases. Last but not least, we have gases. Gases are like the ninjas of the matter world. They're invisible but always around us. In a gas, the molecules are super far apart and they're bouncing around like popcorn in a hot pan. Think about the air we breathe. We can't see it, but it's there. It's a gas. Helium, which makes balloons float, is another example of a gas. Section 6. Changing states. A matter of transformation. The coolest thing about states of matter is that they can change. You know how ice melts into water? That's a change of state. When you heat up ice, which is a solid, it melts and becomes water, a liquid. And if you heat up water, it boils and becomes steam, a gas. Pretty neat, right? Section 7. States of matter in our lives. States of matter are everywhere. We need them to live and play. We drink liquids like water and juice. We breathe air, which is a gas. And we use solids like wood to build houses and metal to make bikes. Can you imagine a world without any of these states of matter? It wouldn't be much fun, would it? Section 8. Beyond the basics, plasma. Now you might be thinking, are there any other states of matter? And guess what? There are. One of them is called plasma. Plasma is a superheated state of matter. It's kind of like a gas, but the atoms are supercharged. We don't see plasma every day, but it's found in things like lightning and stars. Section 9. Keep exploring the states of matter. That's the amazing world of states of matter. We've learned about solids, liquids, gases, and even plasma. Remember, science is all about asking questions and exploring the world around us. So keep your eyes peeled and your brain engaged. Who knows what other cool things you'll discover about the states of matter? Keep on exploring.